Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bandsaw parts and accessories that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the front rear guide roller kit. If you're a professional working with Milwaukee deep cut bandsaws, the front rear guide roller kit 422800150025 offers 3 essential components for maintaining peak performance. This kit includes 2 upper and 1 lower roller with mounting hardware designed specifically for models 2729-22, 2729-20, 2729-21, 6232-20, and 6238-20. You'll appreciate how these rollers keep your blade perfectly aligned with the fence, extending equipment life and reducing downtime. The kit's precise specifications, including a 0.025 blade gap between bearings, guarantee ideal cutting results. With a 4.5 star rating and compatibility with 1/2x0.020 blades, it's a reliable choice for your bandsaw maintenance needs. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bandsaw Trunnions Scale Kit for 14 bandsaws. Professional woodworkers seeking precision and stability will appreciate the Bandsaw Trunnions Scale Kit's versatile compatibility with major 14 bandsaw brands including ACCURA, Delta, Grizzly, Jet, Rockwell, and Rigid. The cast aluminum alloy trunnions feature 3 bolt holes for solid table support, making blade tension adjustments more precise. You'll find installation and maintenance straightforward, reducing your equipment's downtime. If you're working with models like JWBS14 or LBS6, these trunnions will guarantee consistent blade tension during cuts. You're covered with a 30-day refund policy and 12-month warranty from Camus, giving you confidence in your investment. At number 3, we have the 14 Bandsaw Trunnions with degree scale. Woodworkers seeking precise bevel cuts will appreciate these high-performance 14-inch Bandsaw Trunnions. Made from durable aluminum alloy, these corrosion-resistant trunnions fit most popular brands including JET, ACCURA, Delta, and Rigid. You'll find installation straightforward with the 3-mount hole design and 2-inch hole centers. The clear degree scale helps you achieve accurate angle adjustments, while the sturdy construction guarantees stable operation. With a 4.7 star rating from 91 users, you can trust these trunnions to restore your bandsaw's functionality. They're backed by a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, though you might want to reinforce the degree scale decal for longer wear. At number 2, we have the new ACCURA 14-band saw blade guide fork with cool blocks. The ACCURA 14-band saw blade guide fork delivers precision and smooth operation for both hobbyist and commercial woodshops. This versatile fork fits both upper and lower guide blocks on most 14 bandsaws, including popular rigid and central machine models. You'll get everything needed for installation: the fork, friction-reducing graphite cool blocks, and mounting screws. With a 4.5 star rating from over 200 users, this guide fork's proven reliability makes it an excellent replacement choice. While some minor adjustments might be needed during installation, you won't require ball bearing guides. Just verify your saw's bore size before ordering to guarantee compatibility. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bandsaw guide parts for 14-inch bandsaws. Craftsmen seeking superior blade control and longevity will find these cooling blocks essential for their 14-inch bandsaws. These non-metallic composite guides fit popular brands like Craftsman, Jet, Delta, and Grizzly, offering a significant upgrade from standard plastic guides. You'll appreciate how these blocks keep your blade cool and quiet while reducing friction and heat buildup. The design promotes smoother operation and more precise cuts, extending your blade's life without requiring constant maintenance. While you might need to sand them slightly for a perfect fit, installation is straightforward. Users consistently report improved blade alignment and performance compared to original equipment. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.